to another episode of Talk with Anne. Today we delve into the mystical figure of the priestess, spiritual guide, keeper of ancient wisdom, and mediator between the earthly and the divine flame. So let's explore the depth and diversity of the priestess. The priestess for me is in the west position of the Wheel of Life in the Oracle. She has or should I say, historically, the priestess has been a central figure in religious and spiritual ceremonies, often regarded as a direct communicator with the divine. Beautiful, beautiful energy of the priestess. And in ancient Egypt, priestesses served the goddesses with rituals of music and dance. And in Greek tradition, the Oracle of Delphi, priestess known as the Pythia, delivered prophecies under Apollo's guidance. And these women were not only spiritual leaders, but also influential figures in their societies. And the role of the priestess, it transcends the mere performance of rituals and encompasses the guardianship of sacred knowledge and spiritual teaching. The responsibilities of a priestess often include conducting ceremonies, leading rituals that align with the lunar cycles, seasonal changes or life transitions, and providing spiritual education. I don't know if you can hear that sea, but it's massive. The sound it makes is mental. And this involves educating community members in spiritual practices, ethical living, and connection to the divine. Additionally, priestesses engage in healing work using herbs, crystals, and energy work to heal the physical, the emotional, and the spiritual ailment. But before we get into the content, I'm Varney. I'm an award-winning leading spiritual teacher, business mentor. Excuse me, and CEO of Spiritual Awakening Academy and the Oracle Temples. With over 30 years of entrepreneurial experience, I've dedicated my career to helping entrepreneurs, coaches, and healers thrive in their personal and professional lives by fostering deep, heart-based spiritual connections. And my mission is to inspire and guide you on your journey to discover your purpose with passion, ensuring your spiritual insights translate into global results. Amazing. Such a beautiful work that I get to do so. And the role of the priestess is deeply rooted in spiritual tradition, and it encompasses a broad range of responsibilities that extend far beyond ceremonial duties. Because priestesses play a crucial role in leading rituals and ceremonies, which are vital for community, spirituality and personal transitions. The priestess is such a power within these ceremonies, often involving alignment with natural cycles such as lunar phases, solstices, equinoxes, and other seasonal transitions. And these ceremonies honor the Earth's rhythm and seek to align the human energy with these natural cycles, facilitating harmony and balance. Because let's be honest, priestesses also facilitate rites of passage, including birth ceremonies, coming of age rituals, wedding, and end of life transitions. Because remember, priestesses are all about um, rituals. And these rituals help individuals and their communities mark significant life changes with spiritual significance and support. So, education is a cornerstone of the priestess duties. You know, it emphasizes not only the transmission of knowledge, but also the fostering of wisdom and spiritual growth. And this includes instruction in meditation, prayer, energy work, light work, and other esoteric practices that deepen individuals' spiritual connections and personal development. Priestesses often teach principles of ethical living and moral decision making, and they're guided by spiritual doctrines that emphasize compassion, integrity, and community welfare. And beyond individual teaching, priestesses nurture the spiritual health of the community. You know, they often organize group events and workshops and retreats, and that really do foster spiritual growth and unity. Because remember, I'm all about soul, spirit, openness, unity, and love. And priestesses, you know, their healing is another critical aspect of priestesses' roles because they involve various modalities to address physical, emotional, and spiritual ailments. And many priestesses use herbal knowledge to create remedies that support health and healing. And so you can really embody that love. And this practice may involve growing, harvesting, and preparing herbal concoctions tailored to the individual needs, utilizing crystals for their energies, you know, for that energetic properties is common, as is conducting energy healing techniques such as Reiki, chakra balancing, pranic healing, aura cleansing, pranic healing, you know, Sakem, because combining different modalities, priestesses often take a holistic approach to healing. And considering the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit in their healing practices, as guardians of sacred knowledge, priestesses are responsible for preserving spiritual teachings and ensuring they're passed down through generations, through the ancestors. And this may involve the oral recounting of myths or legends and spiritual teachings, as well as overseeing, you know, those beautiful transcriptions of such knowledge into written form. And it's amazing when you see this, you know, when you see the priestesses really protecting the integrity of sacred sites and texts and artifacts, ensuring they are respected and preserved for future generations is really part of the role, you know. And while they're keepers of traditional knowledge, many priestesses also adapt and innovate practices to meet contemporary needs, you know, ensuring the relevance and vitality of spiritual traditions is tenfold, you know. So in essence, the role of the priestess is complex and it's vital, providing spiritual, educational, and healing support to individuals and communities, and ensuring the adaptation of ancient wisdom in a modern context. It's amazing, absolutely amazing how the priestesses really work at a deep level. And if your spirit is seeking deeper wisdom and more profound connections, I invite you to explore two transformative opportunities. join our worldwide spiritual connection experiment that we need to deepen your connections with your inner self, your inner child, and your spirit council. And this experiment is crafted to enhance your spiritual awareness and integrate it into your everyday life. Yeah. So we also, for those prepared for an intensive journey, a more advanced journey, our Oracle 16-week program is specifically structured for advanced priestesses, seekers, gatekeepers. This program takes you further into spiritual territories, providing specialized tools, techniques, personal guidance that expand your mastery of spiritual principles, where you become a practitioner. And here you'll not only connect with the priestess, but also with a host of powerful spiritual guides, galactic counselors, and other dimensional beings, you know. Um, and if this really resonates with you, click the link below and join us. Together we all come on the waiting list, if it is a waiting list. Let's unlock the hidden mysteries of your path. Let's help you remember your magic, you know? And let's go back to the priestess who symbolizes the divine feminine, intuition, compassion, and nurturing. She really does represent a bridge between worlds, often seen as a conduit for divine energy flowing into the material realm. And this figure embodies balance and wisdom, holding space for both creation and preservation, in contemporary times. The priestess takes many forms, from leaders in New Age and pagan communities to those who bring spirituality into holistic practices. Now, modern priestesses may not always be tied to traditional religions, but continue to serve by fostering community, yeah, spiritual awakening, and personal empowerment. So, where are you? Does this resonate with you? Connection with the priestess energy involves tapping into your inner wisdom and intuition. It's about embracing your power to meditate between the seen and the unseen and nurturing your ability to heal and guide others, whether through meditation, ritual practice, or simply honoring your intuitive insights. Embodying the priestess energy can enrich your spiritual path. So, if you're inspired to deepen your spiritual connections and explore the profound realms, don't miss our 2 exclusive offerings. Embrace the path of the priestess with the worldwide spiritual connection experiment, and that's to enhance your spiritual connections with the self, the inner child, and the spirit council. It's a beautiful, beautiful, and it's free. That is free, yeah. Or take the transformative leap with our Oracle 16-week program, where it's specifically designed for advanced seekers, priestess, gatekeepers, light workers, empath sensitives, energy workers, and it'll really deepen your spiritual insight. So connect you to the gatekeeper and introduce you to powerful spiritual guides under the guidance of the priestess. Yeah. And this only has 12 spaces for the Wheel of Life to be at its most effective. So please jump on a call and see if you're ready. There is a waiting list just now. As I say, it goes about 3 times a year. So if you need to join the waiting list, please do so. Click the link below and join us on this incredible journey as we walk the sacred path of the priestess, because we're going through that journey right now. So thank you for joining me today as we explored the sacred and empowering world of the priestess. May this knowledge inspire you to discover and nurture the priestess within you or in your community. Until next time, keep embracing the mysteries of your spiritual journey. I'm Varney, spiritual teacher, business mentor, author, podcaster, and